OK, sometimes，我现在在讲那个 VCS 呢，我们再重新再整理一下。OK， if you type VCS， it will always run VCS in 32-bit mode, right? So last time I tell you to set an environment variable called VCS target arc equal to AMD64. Then it will run VCS directory in 64-bit version. So you can type env grep VCS. Okay, you see, we do not have this environment. So if you type VCS, wait. Okay, if you type VCS full add get label and test full add. If you type this, it will run 32-bit version. Okay, if you ls-lt, you can see that I just create this file, and you can type file cmv. This is a 32-bit LSB executable, right? Because this is a 32-bit VCS. And it will also create a 32-bit cmv. Okay, so let me mv cmv to cmv 32. Okay, now let me show you what to do. If you type alias VCS equal to VCS-full 64, and then you can type alias again. You see, VCS, it will add -full 64 automatically. Let me show this to you. VCS full add get label, test full add, and press enter. Then we are going to check the new cmv. We are going to check whether the new cmv is a 64-bit version or not. Okay, ls-lt. You can see we have another cmv here, right? And you type file cmv. You can see this is a 64-bit LSB executable. So how do we make this into our configuration file? We can create, in our configuration section, we can type alias VCS equal to VCS-full 64. Then next time when you run VCS, you will add this automatically. Understand? That is the first configuration. And the second configuration is to add this environment variable. I just mentioned this to you. This. Either way is functional. Or exporter. Okay, either way we will make this to 64-bit version. Understand? 这个是把它改成预设执行的时候就64位元的模式。不然我刚刚跑去楼下，我刚刚跑去看你们，还是有人进去32位元模式，有没有？它的环境还是不大对。那我不是说32位元不好。我们现在已经全面进入64位元的，你装的所有工具都64位元，你现在再切回去32位元，其实只是在找自己麻烦而已啊。我们上次是不是为了解决这个32位元的问题，花了很多力气装了一大堆乱七八糟的套件，对不对？这都没有必要，不是很有必要做这件事情。